Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and I would like to take a moment and thank our subscribers. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. It's been amazing. We've had a blast. The behind the scenes has been amazing, and showing you all these recipes has just been a joy to all of us. If you are new to Bear Food Kitchen, subscribe, join us so you can see every episode that we post. Today we are making corned beef cabbage soup. We are celebrating the month of March, which is St. Patrick's Day celebration, a lot of Mardi Gras going on. So we are making the corned beef cabbage soup. You can make it with leftovers, or if you can't find corned beef and cabbage throughout the year, you could use deli meat. So this is cooked corned beef that we're just going to go ahead and throw in. It's just basically a dump and go. So super easy. First thing you're going to do is turn on Saute. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Ooh, get it nice and hot. And in the butter, we are going to add 1 medium onion. It's been chopped pretty finely. Get that sauteing. We used 3 to 4 celery stalks. I'm going to throw that in. We're going to add a little bit of salt. You know, a little bit of salt. One day I'm going to be playing some music along with my salt shaker. It goes together. And I love this salt. It's my favorite salt. If you can't get the salt shaker lid off, a trick is either to use a knife or a spoon. Just pop that sucker right off. Just like that. Perfect. A little bit of wine, a little bit of salt. You have to have fun in the kitchen. If you don't have fun, what's the point of cooking? Oh yeah, you gotta eat. A little bit of salt. We'll find the lid later. And then you're just gonna stir it up. It's gonna get hot. We're gonna go ahead and put 1 cup of carrots. I'm using baby carrots, but you could use the regular carrots. Use about 1 cup, chop them up into little dices. And I have a half a leek. I think a half a leek is better than using a whole one because the flavor kind of overpowers it a little bit, especially because you already have onion in there. And then the tomato. The tomato adds a sweetness to the soup that the acid just kind of breaks up the onion in there, and the meat gives it a little bit lighter flavor. Then we're going to use 1 pound of corned beef. This corned beef, I already cooked it. So you can buy a corned beef now, and if you freeze it and you want to make this soup later in the year, you could go ahead and do that. Right now, I cooked a 1 pound corned beef, and if you can't find corned beef, use deli meat. It still works wonderfully. So go ahead and dump that in. I have about 4 potatoes. It just depends about the size of the potato. These are Yukon, the yellow potatoes, and they get very moist very fast. They cook quick in the Instapot. So you'll enjoy them. They come out just wonderfully. And then lastly, 4 cups of cabbage. So 4 cups of cabbage on top. Dump it right on top. It's perfect. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add 4 cups of beef broth. 4 cups of beef broth, and then you're going to add water to cover. So the beef broth gives it a good flavor. Dunk it all in, cover it. Quiet. And this is amazing. And then you're going to add the bay leaf on top. You're going to add 1/4 ground pickling spice, and you're just going to sprinkle that on top. You're going to add 1/4 allspice. Sprinkle away. A little bit of pepper to go with the salt because they're married. They go together. Now you can see that it needs a little bit more water. So we are going to add just a little bit more water on top. And I would say about 1 cup to 2 cups of water. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Turn this off. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. 12 minutes. Put the lid on. Put it on to seal. 12 minutes, that's it. And this soup is amazing, and it'll feed a whole family. It'll feed a village. There's so much soup in here. So 12 minutes, and you'll see how delicious it looks. Wish you were here. Okay, so we had the soup cooking for 12 minutes. The little doohickey is down. We naturally released it, and there is no more pressure. I flipped the switch over. There's nothing there, so it's safe to open. So we're gonna go ahead and open. You hear that music every time. Woo! It's hot. Oh boy, it smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. Oh my gosh. The potatoes are cooked so tender. The corned beef is tender. The carrots are cooked. Oh, it's amazing. This is such a quick, easy meal for you to serve to your family, friends, during the month of March or any time during the year. You can see how hot it is. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite because I know it's amazing and I'm starving. Oh my gosh. I hope you could see this. Look at the potatoes. They're cooked. They're creamy Yukon potatoes. The corned beef is amazing. It's hot. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. The cabbage is tender. Woo! The seasoning is perfect. If you like this recipe, I hope you come back for more. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for coming with us on this journey with Bear Food Kitchen. Thank you.